UH said it would take weeks to fix. Now it's looking more like months. We first told you about the broken air conditioners at Freer Hall 2 weeks ago. After our follow-up story aired last week, a viewer whose son lives in the dorm let us know the problem had not been fixed for everyone. So we went back to UH to find out why. Bridget Namata follows through. Bridget?
Well, Joe, the university tells me there's a number of reasons why dozens of students are still without AC. Bottom line is UH is waiting for parts to come in from the mainland. Students living at Freer Hall tell me they pay more because of the AC, but many haven't gotten what they paid for months. UH told us it would take 2 weeks to fix the problem, so we followed up again and learned that only 16 rooms have been fixed. 44 are still without AC. What is the reason for this particular delay?
So unfortunately, as we're trying to figure out exactly what's wrong with these units, and as we got the first set online, as we went through the procurement process, we're still going to have to go and see exactly what needs to be done. We've suffered a number of setbacks. The first time we were going to get the AC units fixed, they were really basically misdiagnosed. Now UH says it could take up to 2 months to get the air conditioners running again. The university tells me portable ACs are on the way to students still without air conditioning, but some tell me they're not sure if it's good enough. This was senior Cody Martin's reaction.
Great. Well, I mean, there's not much that we can do. It's not exactly what we're paying for.
We asked if students were notified about the recent AC issues.
My understanding is they have been notified. I think there might be some confusion, though, because some of the ACs went back online.
We spoke with Freer Hall resident Kelly Lyman 2 weeks ago and went back to see if anything's changed.
I'm just like left in the dark. Like I don't know what's going on, and especially like this is my room. This is like my home. Like it's very frustrating to me to not know what's going on and to not have the AC working properly.
What would you say to the students who are just beyond frustrated with this whole process?
I mean, all we can do is apologize, and they are going to be rebated some money back, though I know that is kind of more of a symbolic thing for a lot of students because they've had to suffer through the heat. And, I don't know what more we can say, but we're sorry, and we definitely are working on it. We first told you that affected students would receive an electricity stipend of $5 per day. I asked UH if that still stands. I'm told yes, but that will be assessed and could change. We'll continue to follow up to find out when the students will get their AC back. Bridget Namata, KHON 2 News.